Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be talking about skincare. So lately I've been having some breakouts. For that, today I have with me my top 3 picks from Plum's green tea range, which is great for oily acne prone skin. So if you have a similar skin type and similar skincare issues, then continue watching. The first product is the Plum Green Tea Alcohol-Free Toner, which is for combo oily acne-prone skin. The toner does not have any strong smell to it and it has a water-like consistency, so it isn't like super heavy or sticky on your skin. The toner contains green tea, which is excellent for calming and soothing irritated skin, and also it has glycolic acid, which helps with skin renewal. Also, the toner helps to make the pores look a little smaller, because with oily skin the pores look really ginormous when our skin is really oily. So the toner should be applied right after washing your face with a face wash. Especially if you wear makeup on a daily basis, then a good toner is a must-have in your daily skincare routine. My second pick is the Plum Green Tea Face Mask. If you have oily skin, you already know that kaolin clay and bentonite clay are your best friends. Apart from these two, this mask also contains green tea and glycolic acid in it. So this mask should be used only once in a week. When the skin feels really congested, only then this mask should be used. This mask helps to remove dead skin and unclog pores for clear, radiant skin. And my final pick is the Plum Green Tea Night Gel, which contains soothing ingredients like aloe vera leaf extract, green tea, and licorice root extract. Being an oily skin person, I love anything with a gel texture for my skin. So this night gel is to be used as the last step of your nighttime skincare routine, and even though it has a gel format, it keeps my skin nicely hydrated throughout the night. I loved how nicely it made my skin calm and got rid of the redness caused by acne. All Plum products are clean beauty products and 100% vegan. The products are free from animal-derived ingredients, parabens, phthalates, SLS, silicone, and any other harmful chemicals. Also, this range, the green tea range, is the most loved range among all the other ranges by Plum. So if you want to try anything from the green tea range, or if you have already tried anything from the green tea range, then this would be the perfect time to get a restock of your favorite product, because currently Plum is running their holiday sale where you can get up to 40% off on their official website. I'll leave the link to all the 3 products in the description box down below. And also, I'd like to quickly thank Plum for sending me these 3 products to try them out. Thank you so much for that. So that was it for this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to check out the Plum holiday sale. And that's it for today. I'll talk to you guys later soon with another video. Till then, bye.